Hello everybody, Yortegreview here. Welcome back to another episode of unboxing. Today we have... Sorry, I've got a bit of a cough. Today we've got Hot Wheels City. HW City. So we have 5 here to open, and we're gonna open them in this video, so let's do it. Okay, here we go. That sort of did it. I don't care if I break this, because it's unboxing, and it's more fun this way. We've done it. Okay, let's get. Okay, so here is. Oh, it's like a dinosaur. Like it's a. Ow. It's like it's got some blue, some purple, some blue, yellow. I like this one. Well, I guess that's more of like a tan color. No, a mint color. Okay, I like this one. Cool, very cool. Let's test it. Let's test it. Okay, that's cool. Let's check out this one now. It's got some orange. It's got blue, black. It's got, you can see the inside of the car. Oh, I like those wheels. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's test it. Next, we've got Reptile Rescue. I like this one. I guess they rescue reptiles. Yellow and green. I like the wheels again. We didn't do the wheel spinning for this one, so let's do that. Okay, time to test him. Test it. Okay. Let's get these 2 out of the package. Next, we have this one, which, well, kind of looks like this one. I mean, the difference is very the similarity is very obvious. Police, okay, maybe they're chasing the reptile, and Reptile Rescue is also going for it. Okay, wheel test. Let's test it. Drive test it. And finally, we have this. It's a, what does it say? It says Hot Wheels Taco Truck. You can't really read that because it's blurry, but there it is. You can see the inside of it. It looks yellow and red. Ugh. It's got a chili pepper on it. Let's test it. Wheel test. Now let's drive test it. Drive test. So that was the Hot Wheels City 5-pack. Oh. And here they all are together. The police car, the grey car, the reptile rescue truck, lorry, the purple dinosaur or reptile, and the Techo truck. that marks. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video with all these cool looking cars and stuff. And with that, I'll see you soon. Goodbye.